Hi viewers, my name is Sirisha. Welcome to my channel Dream Life Diaries. This is the second session in my Yoga for Beginners series. This session includes warm-up, few rounds of Surya Namaskar and then few asana practice, and then finally we will end it with cool down. This session mainly focuses on movements of spine, breath and alignment. It also increases your flexibility, balance, endurance and overall well-being. Let's get started. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon next to it to receive notifications for the upcoming sessions. Always start the workout with warm-up. Place the feet 2 to 3 feet apart, toes pointing forward. Exhale, bend the left knee and sit low on your left toes. And stretch the right leg, keeping the right knee straight. Keep the fingertips on the floor for the support. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend the right knee and sit low on the right toes and stretch the left leg keeping the knee straight. Let's do it 4 more times on each side. Exhale, bend the knee and squat down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend the knee and squat down. Second warm up. Extend the hands towards ceiling, push your hips forward, inhale and bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward from your hips. Try to place the fingertips on the mat or keep your palms on the shin. Keep your knees soft. Let's do it 4 more times. Inhale, bend backwards as much as possible. Exhale, bend forward. And release. Let's practice Surya Namaskar now. Stand in Samasthiti, your feet together and your palms on your thighs. Exhale, keep your palms in Namaskara Mudra, Namaskarasana. Inhale, push your hips forward and bend backwards. Arms close to the ears. Hands in Namaskara Mudra or you can keep them apart. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, push your hips backwards and bend forward. Hasta Padasana. Try to keep your palms or fingertips on the mat. If not possible, you can hold your ankles or keep your palms on your shin as well. Inhale, place your palms on the mat and bring your right leg to the back. Make sure that left knee is not crossing the left toes and fingertips on the mat and look forward. Ashvasanchalana. Hold your breath, bring the left leg back. Dandasana. Shoulder in line with the wrist. And your body parallel to the ground. Exhale, drop the knees, chest and chin on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara. Palms close to the chest. Inhale, lift your chest up till the navel and look up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, tuck your toes and push your hips up. Try to place the heels on the mat. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your right leg forward and place it in between your palms. Ashvasanchalana. Fingertips on the mat and look forward. Exhale, bring the other leg forward and bend down completely. Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Push your hips forward and bend backwards. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Now let's practice it on the left side. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, bring your left leg to the back, Ashvasanchalana. Hold your breath, bring the other leg back, Dandasana. Exhale, drop the knees, chest and chin on the mat, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, lift the chest up till the navel, Bhujangasana. Exhale, tuck the toes and push your hips up, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your left leg forward. If you are not able to move it, use your hand to move it forward. Ashvasanchalana. Exhale, bring the right leg forward and bend forward completely. Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Let's practice 4 more rounds of Surya Namaskar, little faster this time. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the right side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, continue to Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the left side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Let's practice 3 more rounds of Surya Namaskar. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the right side. Hold the breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, continue to Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the left side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Round 4, Hasta Uttanasana. Hasta Padasana. Ashwa Sanchalana on the right side. Dandasana. Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ashwa Sanchalana. Hasta Padasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Continue to Hasta Padasana. Ashwa Sanchalana on the left side. Dandasana. Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ashwa Sanchalana. Hasta Padasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Namaskarasana. Round 5. Hasta Uttanasana. Hasta Padasana. Ashwa Sanchalana. Dandasana. Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ashwa Sanchalana. Hasta Padasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Continue to Hasta Padasana. Ashwa Sanchalana on the left side. Dandasana. Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ashwa Sanchalana. Hasta Padasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Namaskarasana. We have completed 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Let's take a short break to settle the breath. Keep your feet apart, hands away from the body, and close your eyes. Take long breaths. Inhale through the nose. Exhale from the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Stay here for a few more breaths. And slowly open your eyes. Let's practice some asanas now. Extend your arms towards ceiling and bend from your hips. From here, move your hands 1 or 2 steps forward for balance. Now, lift your right leg up. Urdhva Prasarita Ekapadasana. Once you gain the balance, you can bring the hands back to close to the feet. Otherwise, you can stay here. Stay in this posture for 20 seconds. And then bring the leg back. Now gain the balance again and lift your left leg up. Urdhva Prasarita Ekapadasana on the left side. Stay here for 20 seconds. If possible, you can bring the hands close to your feet and try to touch the forehead to the knees. Now slowly bring the leg back and come up slowly. Let's practice a counter pose to bring the spine back to neutral. Interlock your fingers and bend backwards. Stay here for 10 seconds and slowly come back. Next asana. Stand with feet together. Bend your knees. Squat down. Sit on your toes. Heels off the mat. Balance yourself in this posture. Once you are ready, place your left elbow outside the right thigh. Join both the hands in Namaskara Mudra and twist to your right side. Parivritta Prapadasana. Stay in this posture for 20 seconds. If you are not able to balance, you can place your fingertips on the mat. Now let's do it on the other side. Place your right elbow outside the left thigh. Join both the hands and twist to left side. If you are not able to balance here, release Namaskara Mudra and place your fingertips on the mat. Stay in this posture for 20 seconds. And then slowly release. Next asana. Keep your knees hip width apart and stand on your knees. Extend your arms towards ceiling. Inhale here. Exhale. And place your right hand on the right heel and left hand on the left heel and push your hips forward. Ustrasana. Stay in this posture for 20 seconds. If you are experiencing any neck pain, you can drop your chin to the chest. Or you can drop your head and look back. And then slowly release the asana. Let's practice the same asana one more time. If you are not able to reach the heels, you can hold your lower back and then bend backwards. If you can, hold your heels. Right heel with the right hand, left heel with the left hand, and push your hips forward. Stay in this posture for 20 seconds again. This asana is really good for stimulating blood circulation around thyroid gland. When you're done, slowly release the asana. From here, sit in Vajrasana. Push your knees away from each other and take rest in Shashankasana. Sit on your heels and place your forehead on the mat and extend your arms forward. Stay in this posture for 20 seconds. And slowly come out of the asana. From Vajrasana, stand on your knees. Keep your knees hip width apart. From here, bend your right knee and bring it forward. And slowly extend the right leg. Inhale, exhale and bend down. Keep your fingertips on the mat or hold your toes. And try to bend down as much as possible. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. And keep your right knee straight. Ardha Hanumanasana. Stay here for 20 seconds. With every exhalation, try to move your fingers forward one step ahead and try to bend down completely. and then slowly release. Now let's do it on the other side. Bend your left knee and bring it forward. Now extend the left leg completely. Inhale here, exhale and bend down. You can hold your toe or keep your fingertips on the mat. Bend forward completely and try to touch your forehead to the knee. Stay here for 20 seconds again. And then slowly release. Next asana. Sit down and extend legs forward. Bend the right knee and place the right foot closer to the left thigh. Inhale here. Exhale, bend forward and hold the left foot with both the hands, if possible. If not able to reach, bend the knee little bit, hold the foot and now slowly straighten the knee. If you're not able to reach till there, you can hold your toes or hold your shin or wherever possible. Janushirshasana. Stay here for 20 seconds. We tend to hold our breath when we are in this asana. Don't hold your breath, keep breathing and then slowly release. Let's practice on the other side. Bend the left knee and place the left foot closer to the right thigh. Inhale here. Exhale and bend forward. Hold the right foot with both the hands if possible, or on the shin or wherever possible. With every exhalation, try to bend more and more. And try to touch your forehead to the knee. Stay here for 20 seconds and then slowly release. Let's practice some cool down asanas. Lie down on your back. Place your hands under your body. Inhale and lift your legs 90 degrees up. Try not to bend your knees. Supta Dandasana. Stay here for 20 seconds. Don't hold any tension. Keep breathing. And close your eyes and completely relax. From Supta Dandasana, bend your knees and hug them close to the chest. Exhale and hug them close to the chest. And hold your elbows. Pavanamuktasana. Stay here for 20 seconds. Close your eyes and relax completely. From Pavanamuktasana, place your hands in T-shape. Inhale here. Exhale and drop your knees to the right side and look to the other side. Jatara Parivartasana. Stay here for 10 seconds. Inhale, bring the knees back to center. Exhale and drop them to the other side. Stay here for 10 seconds. Now slowly come out of the asana and rest in Shavasana. Place your legs mat width apart and hands away from the body, fingers naturally curled. And close your eyes, completely relax your body. Don't hold any tension in any part of the body. Stay in this asana for 2 to 3 minutes. Bring your focus to the breath. When you are inhaling, expand your abdomen and take in all the air. And when you are exhaling, pull your stomach in. Take few long breaths. Inhale. Expand your abdomen. Exhale. Pull your stomach in. When you are done, move your toes and fingers. Move your neck from side to side. Join your legs and interlock your fingers over your head and stretch your body. And bend your knees and turn to your right side. Stay here for a few breaths. With the support of left hand, sit up. Sit in Vajrasana or Sukhasana and place your hands on your thighs and relax here for a few breaths. When you are ready, rub your palms, feel the warmth on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends and add your comments to the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it to receive notifications for the upcoming videos. Thank you.